So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to swap your Solana with any coin on your Trust wallet. So first, you need to access your Trust wallet, and after that, you will see your main dashboard, and under, which is the home, trending, swap, earn, and discover, you will click the swap on the middle, and after you are on the swap section, you need to select the upper part, which is the network onto Solana, which is already right here. Use the search bar for you to able to search for the Solana network, and make sure also that the cryptocurrency you want is at the Solana. So right here. And on the lower part, make sure that on the to section is your network is also on the Solana network, so that you can able to swap Solana coin to any cryptocurrency. So for example, like this, I wanted to swap Solana coin onto USDC in Solana network. After that, you need to tender an amount of how much Solana you wanted to swap into USDC. And after that, you must consider the gas fees or the provider fee, which is also included on the swap section, and make sure that you have enough balance so that you can proceed to swapping. And that's how you swap Solana with any coin on your Trust wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.